Good, I would say. I have those are my family, to be honest, but I can see in the beer. My name is Saurav.
Yeah, my name is Anvesh.
Okay, nice to meet. Hi everyone, good morning from Bilda, nearby to Bilda. Sorry for keeping you guys late for the videos. Today the date is 18th of Jan 2025. I am traveling towards my destination, which is Hyderabad, from where we got the bike from Hyderabad to hometown, and then again we are taking the beast to the destination. There are few things which I want to share. I did not open up my camera in hometown because it was night, to be honest, dark, pitch dark. Although I had a fog light which would have do the justice for the road, but not sure. That is why I don't want to disturb anybody in that particular zone. I did not open my fog light and we came. And now we are on NH16, which connects to Chennai. In this way we will go towards we will go till Vijayawada. So once Vijayawada we reach, then probably we will go to what you can say, where from Vijayawada we will take right towards Hyderabad and Bombay highway. I think it is NH some NH, I'm not sure which one it is, but you guys can check the previous video of mine. Then so far so good, I would say. I have just written about 15 minutes or so. So yeah, that's it. Let the sunrise happen, and then probably we will get into the motor vlogging properly. Meanwhile I'll just keep tracking those things, right? I mean, at least थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर कर लेता हूँ, सो दैट हम लोग लिए भी आसान हो जाएगा, राइट? आप लोग कैसे हो? पहले तो ये बताओ कि कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ आप लोगों का साथ. अच्छा रहना चाहिए, आप लोग अच्छा रहो. आई एम गुड, आई एम प्रीटी गुड नाउ. Although I am healing up, but yeah, I am good. I will talk to you guys once the sunrise happens. Let me just pull up my throttle for a bit. Actually, guys, this route will connect to Baleshwar, Baleshwar, and then Baleshwar. From Baleshwar, it will connect to Soro, and then Kotak, and then Bhubaneswar, and then from Bhubaneswar, Vardrak, Berhampur. And then I think we will reach down to the Gopalpur sea beach nearby to that, and then probably we will reach to Andhra Pradesh and Odisha border nearby, and then from there we will connect to Vizag. My today's plan is to cover Vizag, more than Vizag. I wanted to cover more than Vizag, but I'm not sure how much I can cover till now, till today. But yeah, let's see, let's hope for the best, man. I mean, I just want to enjoy my ride, that's it. Mom, dad are worried, but yeah, that's what situation was, but can't do anything. I had to anyway go to Hyderabad. It's already a month. I came back home, and then yeah, I have to anyway go back. Hi everyone, we just crossed Baleshwar a few minutes back, and then Baleshwar से थोड़ा आगे आ चुका हूँ हम लोग towards Bhubaneswar, and from here to Bhubaneswar I think 200 odd kilometer, और max to max मतलब 200 kilometers बचा हुआ है till Bhubaneswar. तो मेरा जो ट्रिप मीटर दिखा रहा है 104, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 26.8 माइलेज दे रहा है, which is very very pathetic because of the diversion what we are getting. But can't do anything, can't help it out. But yeah, see, if you see now, diversion came. One more diversion from this route is having a lot of diversion. To be honest, I don't like the NH condition here in Odisha. Not sure. Lot of actually lot of flyovers are going to open in this NH, probably because of that the reason of being it reason of service lane we are taking, or the diversion we are taking. As of now, riding is good. Ride is good so far for me, and I don't have any problem with the ride till far. But yeah, ठंडी तो बहुत है यार. मतलब ठंडी थी. I was in Calcutta couple of days back. I mean, I was there here and there in Calcutta. Last 2-3 weeks I was there. I think last 2 weeks. I think last week only I was there. I went to Santiniketan. I was there for a work purpose. But yeah, I mean, work purpose as in I have something to deal with in Calcutta, so I thought of going there. Then I was staying with my brother's place. Bhagna, you okay? The main thing is I had recorded one video in while going to Santiniketan from Calcutta. The main problem what happened is the angle position of the GoPro was not good. Actually, I had ordered again a Blue Armor and then kept it at the old way how I used to keep it. Because if you see, the mount is little bit in a downside, so whenever I had to keep my helmet, I had to anyway think twice before I keep that. But yeah, that's what the situation was. So whatever the video I have recorded, it was just waste. In this ride, actually, guys, to be honest, I'll miss a couple of them. I don't want to take the name, but yeah, they will be always remain while I ride. Those are my family, to be honest. Those people are my family. They think back every time whenever I go for a ride. They think always at home how my ride is going, and probably stuff like that. But then I'll miss you guys. Those who know me very well, they will probably understand whom I am talking about. And one person special who was my inspiration, actually, to be honest, who was my inspiration. Now I'm not sure whether he or she is there in my life, whether whether she or he inspires me or not. But yeah, it will remain constant. My affection, love, whatever you can call it, will be there, remain with him or her. Guys, I did not tell you guys, I had purchased one riding shoes. I'll probably show it to you guys later point of view how it is and why I have taken the LS2. The riding shoe is LS2 Gobi. Anyway, I had purchased it from Biker Genome, to be honest. सुमिता का दुकान से. सुमिता ताबुदा भी था. ताबुदा भी बोला कि हाँ ले लो, कोई बात नहीं. Good shoes. हम लोग अभी probably 100 मेरे को जितना लग रहा है 150 किलोमीटर, बट लेट्स सी कितना किलोमीटर दूरी में है हम लोग. भुवनेश्वर से प्रोबेबली मेरे हिसाब से तो 150 किलोमीटर होना चाहिए कि 170 समथिंग, 143 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर. सो भुवनेश्वर पहुंचने का भी 2.5 घंटा दिखा रहा है, बट आई डोंट थिंक हम लोग इतना टाइम लेंगे भी. I mean, next 2 hours probably we will be reaching down to Bhubaneswar, as per my understanding. But see, there are a couple of things from my side. Ride is good so far. Sunrise हो चुका है in the left hand side. Although we are in the eastern part of the country, we are just crossing Bhadrak now. Bhadrak cross कर रहा हूँ. Bhadrak का बाद I think probably 120 kilometer or 130 kilometer will be left out for Bhubaneswar. So Bhubaneswar probably I'll be reaching. I'm not anywhere fixing anything. Probably I'll be reaching down to Bhubaneswar around 9:30 around that time. I'll try to reach before that, but yeah, roads are good as of now. Oh, building is bomb. Friend, yeah. I mean, the sunglass is on. These are the camera, man. You have to anyway be very careful with the camera. I did not tell you guys. Sorry not to inform you guys. One thing is I had purchased one tank bag from Guardian Gears. I thought of purchasing Rhinox or Camster or Vatera, but then I mean, I don't know. I like the finishing of Guardian Gears. Yeah, probably if that is the scenario, probably we will get it later. Point of getting it, but yeah, I mean, genuinely speaking, I love the finishing of Guardian Gears, to be honest. And it's good. Only one thing about Guardian Gears was one of the very major pros is you will get 1 year warranty. Other two brands of Camster and Rhinox will get 6 months of warranty. We are 404 kilometer away from Visakhapatnam. हम लोग भुवनेश्वर क्रॉस किया थोड़ी देर पहले. वी आर टूवर्ड्स बहरमपुर नाउ. बहरमपुर आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 140-130 किलोमीटर यहाँ से. तो अभी तक मैंने जस्ट एक बार ही फिल अप किया है. अभी फिल अप करने का बाद आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड अगेन. I think guys this route is scenic, to be honest. I think guys this route is really scenic, right? दो साइड में पहाड़ था. I mean टीला type kind of. You can see this all looking good. Guys, we are 56 kilometer away from Berhampur. Abhi I took a break actually, and I had a couple of chocolates. That's all probably. Chocolates, water. Then I had an energy drinks. So far journey is good. I think this is nearby to Chilka viewpoint. Towards left side you will get the Chilka's view, I believe, if I'm not wrong, as per my understanding. But then we will see. I just thought of opening the GoPro and just check if at all I get. Roads are good here, in between the jungles and pahad, the hill. Oh, that is Chilka. I don't know camera कितना justice कर पाएगा कि नहीं. I don't know how much camera will justice, but that is Chilka. In the left hand side, if you see in the down, those area are Chilka's lake. But yeah, I have a little bit less time, so I will go. See, this is Chilka. If you can see, I'm not sure whether camera justice कर पा रहा है कि नहीं पा रहा है, but I can see in the bare eyes the water level. That is Chilka in the left hand side, guys. Please guys, I want to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as please follow the Facebook page, the Throttle with Pro 50, as well as the Instagram page, which is the same Throttle with 450 name. Please do follow, do share, give us a comment which will motivate us to make some content. But yeah, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, man. Eventually, actually, your one like or one subscribe, it will make my journey very easy. Thanks for liking the video. And same bike सामने जा रहा है. I think he also put Jana's भाई मुझे ये लेना है. I think JB Racing or something else, कुछ तो होगा. Yes, bro. I'm from. Sorry, मैं तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद. But अभी हैदराबाद जा रहा हूँ. I am coming from Calcutta. आज जी. नहीं, I will stay in Vizag. Today I'll stay today in Vizag. Tomorrow morning again I'll start and go back to Hyderabad. You are also traveling to Hyderabad? Come, we'll sit.
Actually, I'm going to Mumbai.
Okay. My name is Saurav.
Yeah, my name is Anvesh.
Okay. Nice to meet you. How was? Huh? Yeah. Kind of. I do some stuff. ट्रैफिक बहुत लग गया यार. घुसते ट्रैफिक लगना स्टार्ट हो गया. मैं पहुंच के आपको दिखाता हूँ रूम कैसा है कैसा नहीं है. It's 1.7 kilometers from the RK beach. It's good, I think. It's good. Price is good. I think I got it for 2000 rupees. Price is 3-star hotel. It's good. पता नहीं यार लोगों को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, दिखता नहीं है, मिरर दिखता नहीं है, घुस जाता है कहीं पे। आई डोंट नो कौन सा रूट है ये, मुझे समझ नहीं आया। लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज देयर इन, आई डोंट नो विच रूट गूगल टुक इट, बट दिस रूट इज समथिंग डिफरेंस। मीटर यहाँ पे गोल करके घूमना है क्या? आई थिंक यस। ओ ये वाला सर्कल मुझे पता है, 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 पता है। গোল করে ঘুমে ওই দিকে নিতে হবে। 60 मीटर लेफ्ट बोल रहा है।